Insta360 introduced the first action camera with a mesh-covered wind guard alongside the release of the Ace Pro 2, as well as a new grille-covered guard with the X5. Although if you're after the best audio quality at all times, then you'll want a microphone attached to yourself or to your subject. And that's where this comes into play, the Insta360 Mic Air. Even though Insta360 are clearly concentrating on higher quality audio capture alongside video with their latest cameras, if you're looking for the best quality audio capture to use alongside your camera, be it locally or at a longer distance, then an external solution is always going to generate the best results. And if you want a seamless experience, this Mic Air is what you need. The unit comes in two flavours, the mic alone or with an optional receiver, which is the kit we have here, all wrapped up in this nice compact zipped carry case. Inside we have the accompanying accessories in the top half and the main unit under a flap in the bottom. And upon first glance, that mic is seriously small. It's actually quite smaller than I had imagined. And with that small size also comes lightweight. It weighs next to nothing when in the hand, so clipped to you or to your clothing, you'll hardly notice it's even there. With the Insta360 branding across the front, we have this ribbed design, which makes it seem as though that's the mic itself, whereas in fact the mic is at the very top edge of the unit. Otherwise, on the side we have the single button on the entire device, used for power cycling the microphone, pairing, as well as switching between modes, which we'll come back to in just a moment. Finally, on the back we have the three metal contacts used to charge the internal battery, which can last up to 10 hours on a full charge, depending upon how it's used of course and whether noise cancellation mode is active. When it does come to charging then, that's done with the included USB charging base. The microphone magnetically attaches to the top, although you do need to ensure the contacts meet in order for charging to take place. Rather than guess where this is, the base incorporates this small protruding section at the top, which lines up with the recess in the microphone itself. So even if the microphone is placed incorrectly on the charging base, rotate it slightly and it will eventually seat into place. Simple. On the opposite end we have a standard USB connector, although I would have preferred USB-C in this day and age to be fair, but connect to a power source and charging will begin. No issues there at all. The receiver package also comes with this small USB-C receiving adapter, providing the ability to use the microphone with not just Bluetooth enabled devices, but any device with a USB-C port that accepts an external microphone input, be it a computer, tablet, even your smartphone. While the receiver is powered by the host device it's attached to, like the microphone, we have a single button on one side, used for pairing as well as adjusting audio levels, a bank of status LEDs alongside the Insta360 branding, and a pass-through USB-C port on the other side, so you can power your host device from an external power source even with the receiver attached. Personally, I'd recommend purchasing the kit with the receiver if you can, as it provides the added flexibility of being able to use the microphone across a much broader variety of devices. Back to the microphone itself though, when it comes to mounting, of course the microphone itself is magnetic, so it's able to attach to any metal surface with ease. Although when it comes to attaching to yourself or to your subject, we have a couple of options included in the package. A microphone clip, providing the traditional clip style design that most microphones adhere to. A button magnet, providing the ability to attach to a more suitable location on your clothing. As well as a neck strap pendant style design, providing the ability to wear the microphone around your neck like a necklace. It's nice to have all options included in the one package, meaning you'll always find a way to attach the microphone to yourself no matter what the shooting scenario. Oh, and you'll also receive a wind muff too, secured by wrapping the rubber strap around the microphone itself, where it does grip quite firm, covering the microphone with this muff that helps reduce unwanted wind noise. And yes, you can still charge or use any of the included mounting options even with the wind muffler attached, which is a nice added touch. Setting up and pairing the microphone with your device is super easy too. With a new unit, press the power button for 2 seconds, or 6 seconds for entering pairing mode on a previously paired unit, and you'll see this flashing blue LED highlighting the unit is now in pairing mode. Over on your camera then, enter the Bluetooth settings, and select the Mic Air, where it instantly connects and the light on the microphone remains a steady blue. That's all there is to it. Microphone now paired and ready to use. With both units in sync then, a single press of the side button can be used to take an image or start and stop video capture. A double tap enables or disables noise cancellation mode. And a triple tap mutes the microphone altogether. So that one button has some added functionality too when used with a compatible camera, of course. Okay, so this is an audio test of the Insta360 Mic Air. I have the microphone attached chest level to me. I do have the wind muff attached. It is quite windy out today, so hopefully that's drowning out all of the excess wind noise. The camera itself is in the Insta frame mode, which is a new mode with the X5, so it should be doing all the tracking for us in the camera itself. So you can see how this can be used as a one-man film crew type of setup where you can do all the filming and everything yourself. And hopefully the audio being captured is coming across nice and clearly too. And at the end of your shooting session, you can remotely end the capture by pressing the single button on the actual Mic Air, and that hopefully should stop the audio and video capture. All in all then, this is a really nice audio solution to add to an already great 360 camera. It's small, light, comes with various mounting options and performs perfectly well, complementing that great quality video output. In fact, used in tandem with the receiver, it provides the ability to use the microphone across a much wider array of capture devices. On the flip side, I would have liked some vibration feedback when pressing the button for various modes and tasks, as well as an easy way to see the battery power remaining at any point in time. But that aside, when taking its size and weight into account, this is a great audio capture solution that's not only easy to use, but performs perfectly well.